I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love.
Keep on playing games like no one here to stay. Just like the cows on commercial line. Really gotta get up out of here and go somewhere.
Hey, Lord Vader in this bitch. Watch me lean and watch me rock. Watch me crank that soldier boy and ooh. Pick it up, crank it up, drop it down, crank it up, speed it up, crank it up, slow it down, crank it up.
Bitches be stuck to me. I think they try to glue me. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to do it. Taste me how to do it.